Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking in one measurable objective and the primary audience. This directs every decision. Once done, audit existing assets quickly. Note gaps in content, tracking, or brand messages. Set up essentials you might lack: basic analytics, a lead capture form, and a simple content calendar. Make sure to prioritize the highest impact fixes first so you avoid busy work. These prerequisites let you move immediately into testing channels with confidence and purpose. Next, choose 2 channels that match your audience and objective and design a focused 4-week test. Once chosen, map specific offers, creative variations, budgets, and KPIs for each channel so results are comparable. Launch small, measure cost per acquisition and engagement, and iterate weekly. Pause poor performers and scale winners. Make sure to tie every creative to a single conversion action and validate tracking before optimizing, because clean data prevents wasted spend and false conclusions. To finish, scale systematically. Increase budgets in small increments and monitor CPA and ROI closely. Once scaling, refine landing pages and rotate creatives to combat fatigue while expanding targeted segments based on top performers. If performance falters, first verify tracking integrity and conversion definitions, then test creative swaps and audience narrowing. Often the issue is data or messaging, not the channel. Make sure to document changes and results so you can repeat winners and avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.